Hi, this is Kevin with Farrell Properties. This is video number 4 of a series of 4 videos showing you how to get data that we need before purchasing properties. And we collect this data on the spreadsheet. As you've seen before, I've got our property data sheet on the right, and we've had parcel fact open on the left. Now let's scroll down on the data sheet. We need to look at find out what taxes are due, or if there are any taxes that are unpaid. This is a very important part of the research. We can get this information by going to this link right here. Now when we get to that link, we're going to need to know the seller name. In a previous video we knew, we looked up here, it was John and Jennifer Hall. You may want to note that, write that down somewhere. You'll have to enter that manually. So it's Hall, H-L-L-L, first name John, and Jennifer. All right, let me expand this window. We want to do property search, and we're going to search by owner name. Hall space John. Let's see how this does for us. Okay, we've got several Hall, John S, John E, but we've got only one that is John and Jennifer. And look, this is the same APN number that we're looking for. They're calling it geographic ID here, but if we jump back to our spreadsheet and we look at that number, P0500 0320 00, we will find P0500 032000. So this is it. This is our property. Let's take a look. What's important here is right at the bottom. This is not only the most recent year taxes, but it goes back, in this case, a long ways, almost 20 years. At the bottom, if there were any unpaid taxes, there would be a number here. So it totals up over all the years, because sometimes they can have unpaid taxes in 1995 and 96 and then pay all the rest of them, and they would look like zeros at the top. So you have to go all the way to the bottom. Now if we had unpaid taxes showing here, you'd have to write down the amount and report that on the spreadsheet. But in this case, we don't have anything to report. It's all zeros. So we are going to go back into the spreadsheet, scroll down, taxes due, no. Now, as I said earlier, because we're working on Excel online, every change that we have made is automatically saved to the Dropbox shared folder. So we're all finished. You might take a quick glance through here to see if we've gotten everything that we need. And we want data next to all of these orange or brown cells, and we've got everything filled in. So that's it. We're all done. This is the end of video 4 and the end of the 4 video series on collecting data for due diligence for our properties at Farrell Properties. Thank you very much. End of video 4.